Class 9 Science, Chapter 1, Matter in Our Surroundings. MCQs Worksheet Number 5 Full Chapter Overview. Brain MCQs, with answers and explanations. Q1. Which of the following is not a characteristic of particles of matter? A. They have mass. B. They attract each other. C. They are stationary. D. They occupy space. Check mark answer. C. They are stationary. Explanation. Particles of matter are always in motion. Q2. Why do solids have a definite shape? A. They are rigid. B. Particles have weak forces. C. Particles are far apart. D. Particles are free to move. Check mark answer. A. They are rigid. Explanation. Strong intermolecular forces make them rigid with fixed shape. Q3. Which state of matter has the highest kinetic energy? A. Solid. B. Liquid. C. Gas. D. Plasma. Check mark answer. C. Gas. Explanation. Gas particles move freely and have the most energy. Q4. A substance directly changing from solid to gas is known as A. Condensation. B. Freezing. C. Sublimation. D. Deposition. Check mark answer. C. Sublimation. Explanation. Examples include camphor and dry ice. Q5. Which process increases the rate of evaporation? A. Increase in humidity. B. Increase in temperature. C. Decrease in surface area. D. No wind. Check mark answer. B. Increase in temperature. Explanation. More heat increases kinetic energy and speeds evaporation. Q6. What happens when pressure on a gas is increased? A. Volume increases. B. Volume decreases. C. Mass increases. D. Density decreases. Check mark answer. B. Volume decreases. Explanation. Gases compress under pressure, Boyle's law. Q7. Which of the following explains why sweating keeps us cool? A. Boiling. B. Freezing. C. Evaporation. D. Condensation. Check mark answer. C. Evaporation. Explanation. Evaporation removes heat from the body, causing cooling. Q8. What type of heat changes state without changing temperature? A. Sensible heat. B. Conduction. C. Latent heat. D. Thermal radiation. Check mark answer. C. Latent heat. Explanation. It is hidden energy used in changing the state of matter. Q9. What will happen to the boiling point of water at higher altitude? A. Increases. B. Decreases. C. No change. D. Boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Check mark answer. B. Decreases. Explanation. Atmospheric pressure is lower, so boiling occurs at lower temp. Q10. Which of the following is incorrect about gases? A. Easily compressible. B. Fixed volume. C. No fixed shape. D. Fill entire container. Check mark answer. B. Fixed volume. Explanation. Gases take shape and volume of their container, not fixed.